What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on ICP as it has recently broken out. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So this was ICP in my video just 10 days ago, which was titled ICP looks primed for a breakout. And I had it drawn in an ascending triangle and I called out the golden cross and the bullish divergence. And this is ICP now. We broke out perfectly. And had you guys taken this trade, you could have made 23% in 10 days. But not even just this. We have nailed ICP twice in a row. We also had it drawn on a massive falling wedge, as you can see in this video 2 months ago. And it was trading at $2.92. So had you guys simply just held this entire time, you'd be up 93%. So if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But anyways, I'll go deeper into the charts at the end of the video. So ICP is currently trading at $5.16. It has a market cap of $2.3 billion, which ranks 31st among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is up to 450 million out of a total supply of 510 million. And if you guys are looking to trade ICP, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into some ICP news. So this is the Dfinity Twitter, which has 678,000 followers. And they just reposted 31 minutes ago. Distribution of D-mail messages and transactions on top chains. And as you guys can see, if you look at the images, ICP is clearly at the top. And they are at the top by a lot. So it's good to see that ICP is performing exceptionally well. And then they posted 30 minutes ago. Ordinals on the internet computer are creating a buzz. In the initial 7 days since its launch on the Bionic market, there have been over 60,000 CK-BTC transactions, totaling 75 CK-BTC. And then I want to show you guys what Dominic said on December 8th. The internet computer is built for the big ideas that will shape our world, allowing developers to deploy software directly on the blockchain, enabling dApps to run without traditional web hosting services.
The internet computer is a new kind of blockchain that's all about expanding what we can do online. It's fast, it's secure, it's green, it's fully decentralized, and it's built for the big ideas that will shape our world. And that's exactly what we're going to see from these students. Big ideas that can change how we live, work, and play.
And then the last thing I want to talk about is the internet computer website has a brand new look. And we'll go ahead and click on the link and have a look at it. So Cypherspace as a cloud. Ask ICP AI. Now this right here is definitely a new feature. It wasn't here in the past. And I will say, if you guys have watched my content in the past, you know I am bullish on the AI narrative. So I love to see that ICP is involved with AI. And then as you scroll down, they have their articles section and then a little description of kind of what they do. So the actual information on the website hasn't really changed. It's mainly just the layout. But I will say it does actually look a lot better than it used to. But now we'll go ahead and hop into some macro news that could affect ICP's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to ICP. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, and they just posted 12 hours ago, $150 million liquidated from the crypto market in the past 45 minutes. Now, I have no idea why this liquidity grab actually happened, but what's interesting is I have been calling for a drop for a long time now, because the reality of the crypto market right now is it is extremely overbought. And then they posted December 8th, the SEC holds a meeting with Fidelity to discuss its spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, as I talked about in my last ICP video, they have narrowed down a timeline of when these spot ETFs might get approved, and that could be January 5th through January 10th of 2024, which is right around the corner. So as I've been saying, I highly recommend you guys keep your eyes on these ETFs. They truly could revolutionize the crypto space and help bring trillions of dollars to the industry. And they also posted December 6th that there's 20,000 blocks remaining until the Bitcoin halving, which on December 6th, there was 133 days left. Now, I will say the time can change, so don't just look at this and think it's 100% correct. But there are a lot of things lining up for an explosive bull run, and that is the Bitcoin spot ETFs, the Bitcoin halving, interest rates potentially dropping in the future. So educate yourself in crypto before it's too late. Now, for the final part of this video, we'll go over some technical analysis. This is ICP on the daily time frame. And as I said at the beginning, had you guys taken this ascending triangle trade, you could be up 23%. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So the RSI and stochastics are pretty overbought. In addition, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower high to a higher high. The RSI is higher high to lower high. That is Class A bearish divergence, which typically signals a local top has been reached. Now, you could argue that that has already started to play out, which is why we have this big red candle. However, I personally would would actually argue that this was due to Bitcoin dropping. So I wouldn't be shocked if the bearish divergence does play out even more. And another reason I say that is because if you actually look at this candle, it is a bearish engulfing candle, meaning that you can fit this entire green candle in the entire red candle. And that is usually a very bad sign, as it negates all of the gains made within the last 2 days. So personally, what I would be looking for is ICP to start flagging out. And while it does that, the RSI and stochastics would start to reset, and then the 21-day moving average would start creeping up, and price action could get a bounce off of it as support, and we then could get another explosive move up. So to be completely honest, right now on ICP, I see an opportunity that might come up here pretty soon, especially if you guys missed this initial parabolic move. But obviously none of that is financial advice. Do what's best for you. If you still feel like taking an ICP trade, then by all means take it. Now, lastly, we'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins, and this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. So as I've been saying for a while now, the RSI is extremely overbought and so are the stochastics. Plus, I was talking about how price action was trading way above all of the moving averages. And typically what you would see happen is price action would come back down and touch the 21-day moving average. Now, I will say it got close, but it didn't actually touch it. But then my other concern was that if you look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, again, we're extremely overbought, but the previous 8 candles in a row had all been green, which is definitely classed as a parabolic move, as Bitcoin has went from 26,100 to over 44,000. So typically you're going to see some sort of retracement. So has that time actually come for a retracement? Who knows? It appears that way right now, but obviously anything can change in the blink of an eye. Although I will say, if we go to a smaller time frame like the 4-hour, price action has broken beneath the 21-day moving average and the 50-day moving average for that matter. So what we do not want to see on Bitcoin is price action to come back up to the 21-day moving average and then get rejected. That would be a bearish retest. And if that did happen, I'd probably look for Bitcoin to drop all the way back down to these levels at around 37,800, which is also the next major high volume node on the VRVP. And high volume nodes typically work as magnets. So just to be completely clear, in the short term, I am still expecting Bitcoin and ICP to probably retrace a little bit more, because the reality is we have gone parabolic recently and nothing goes up forever. We have to let the market cool down a little bit before these spot ETFs get approved. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, in the short term, crypto is going to be extremely volatile. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.